At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the Trelawny police are investigating the death of an 83-year-old farmer whose body was discovered at his residence in First Hill in Jacksontown in the parish on Friday. Reports indicate that around 1:30 p.m., a neighbor who last saw Arthur McNeil at a grave digging on December 30th decided to check on him. My wisdom warriors, decomposing body of Trelawny farmer found at his home. This man is 83-year-old. He's an 83-year-old farmer. What could have this man done? You know, we have to really look upon it in my wisdom warriors. Why somebody would have really come and take this man's life? Remember, the police are investigating now. The police are investigating. So, what go wrong? This man at 83-year-old, me tell you, say, hey, the people them not have no heart. The people them heartless. The people them heartless. And who realize, say, a lot of farmers are dying. Who realize that? See, a lot of farmers dying. Why is that so? After a sudden, pure farmers are dead. Why is that? That is the question, we have to ask, What go wrong? Why the farmers, them just are dead so? Something alright, my wisdom warriors. Something alright. You understand me? We have to look out of the box, More while, we have to look out of the box. Something is not right. I just want to say rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. A farmer with disability pedals his way to success. A disc jock, DJ and sound system operator who goes by the stage name King David Hibbert has mastered several skills over the years. In fact, he is also a certified tiler and livestock farmer and a butcher. My wisdom warriors, I have a video clip right here, and I want you to take a look at this video. The reason why I'm showing you this, I'm showing you say, you see, a lot of people with disability is doing good out here. And people when I have no disability don't want to work. A lot of people when I have no disability don't like work, my wisdom warriors. They only like to come and beg. So when I see this, I say I have to show you this. So take a look at this young man.
Yeah, my peeps, this is the type of bike that I ride. I call it the three-wheel tricycle bicycle. See that? So everything to me. I'm go everywhere in my world. Different from when you take a vehicle or so. But you don't know, you have to do the right thing. My name is David Colin Hibbert. I'm a certified tiler, I'm a DJ. I'm a musician overall. Most of my life is about music. Yes, come for it now. I am a farmer from I was like 11 years old. I help myself on doing farming, I raise chicken, goat, cow. I try every little thing, because you don't know in Jamaica you have to try. Without you try, who is gonna make things go for it? So all I want me do is to endorse myself and endorse others. So right now I want to really finish up myself to a level where I can sign up with RADA. That is the next step I want to make, because RADA can give me a lot of help and benefits behalf of, say, getting certain kind of animals, get more animals, because I love animals. Animals is my thing. I used to have more goats, but dogs mess up a portion to them and all heap of little things put up. I don't know. We have to do what we have to do. If we don't do it, we're going to do it for we. In Jamaica here, we have to make ourselves comfortable in everything that we do. It no matter how you look, cause looks are deceiving. No make a man come tell you, say, "Chung me cripple or me disable or no, no make them tell that. See if you look help, you ask for real help. So this is a part of what me do. So anybody who really want to advance towards what I'm doing, want to say yes, they push up the thing look more for me. I would appreciate it, yes. But me not rush nobody for nothing. That's me. Me is just the type of I like do my own. I like hustle for myself. I like eat my own food. I like do my own thing because this is how me is. Me is an independent person. I'm not a dependent person. I'm an independent. And I teach myself and people around me how to be independent, not to be dependent. Because the dependent business no work. In Jamaica, anywhere in the world you go, you see if you're a thief, you're so, anywhere you go forever thief. So if you're a hustler, you're going to always be a hustler and always be a person who go to things, push yourself. The youths of Westmoreland and all over the world, one thing I keep begging you all to do. Wise up, get the youths, wise up. Full time we got to socialize up.
So my wisdom warriors, you see that? You see that? You see how this young man is trying and he have a disability. You see that? When I see some youth get up and no want to do nothing, me have to say, Jaja, how really are going? And then again, you know, you have whole heap of farmers out here trying, you know. You have whole heap of man, whole heap of woman out here trying, you know, to make life, you know. My wisdom warriors, but me no know some people just thief. People we get up and guard them farm, work so hard, and then people just go there and just frig up them farm, thief them things. Why is that? You understand? Why is that? Why you not try? Listen, you see when you see a youth a rise up and a try in a life, leave them alone, brother. Leave them alone. You understand? Leave them alone. Because them a work hard. They're working hard for reach what them reach. Leave them alone. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I want to take in Mark Golding. Hear this.
Comrades, the way Jamaica run now, it's not right. People fed up. People are suffer. Cost of living and the price of everything. Week after week, more pressure on the people. And we have a government, it look like all them really do is look out for them friend and company. And the people can't have trust and confidence in the leadership of Jamaica as it stands today. The Integrity Commission talk about 6 members of Parliament under investigation for illicit enrichment. What is illicit enrichment? It's a corruption offense. It means that you have assets that you declare money where you get your income. Can't show how you acquire those assets. And you can't explain it neither. Because you know how it go. It never come in another legit way. 6 of them. And then the Prime Minister himself, his statutory declaration. Each member of Parliament, each senator has to file a statutory declaration for each year. You have to file it by March 31st the following year. You have to declare everything you own. You have to declare every money where you owe. You have to declare all of your income. And the Lord said, the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition, the Integrity Commission have to review them statutory declaration. And them have to certify, say, it look good, it stay good. And then them have to publish a summary of it in the Jamaica Gazette, the official publication of the government. Year after year, this Prime Minister, female can't get certified, can't publish. Something wrong. And him can't come and tell the people what is wrong. And I say, that is a disqualifying factor for any leader of the country. And if the Jamaica Labour Party was true to its roots, he could not be the leader going into the next election.
My wisdom warriors, I agree with every single thing Mark Golding say. I agree with every single thing. The people them fed up. The way how Jamaica run, enough here run so. And it'll get worse. It'll get worse, my wisdom warriors. The way how Jamaica run, and also Jamaica fi run. And it's only getting worse. It is only getting worse. You understand? When we have a criminal prime minister out here, I go on like say him are the best. It can't work like that. Because we all know he's not the best. We all know what he's made up of. We all know say he don't have Jamaican best interest at heart. We all know that. You understand? A man will have Jamaican best interest at heart. No go on like how Andrew Wellness go on. Could never. The man not even want to sign the code of conduct. That's a number one. That's a number one. The leadership code of conduct. The man no want to sign. So how that the man they care about Jamaican people? How that the man they care about Jamaican people? Listen to me. My wisdom warriors, general election a come and we have to vote out this man. Me not even sure if he go call general election. If he telling you the truth, I don't even believe he go call it. Seriously. You understand me? It look like the way I see it, Andrew Wellness now go give up. You understand? And at the fittest, I go survive in this. Me I tell you now, Andrew Wellness now go down without a fight. That's why me tell you now all the time we have to unite. Because remember, so the security forces is there to protect the public officials. They're not there to protect us, the citizens. So we have to come together from now. And we have to unite Jamaica. Me I tell you the truth. Because Andrew Wellness now go down without a fight. Anyway, I want to take in this because you know, say, a long time Mark Golden come up with this idea. I know we're not hearing nothing about it. So here what Mark G have to say.
Madam Speaker, the issue of abuse of women and crimes against women is a big issue in our society. Women are frequently the victims of abduction and other forms of violence. Arising out of the very tragic murder of a young lady earlier this year, Miss Jackson, a debate took place amongst lawyers and in social media as to whether or not pepper spray was lawful. The Offensive Weapons Prohibition Act gives a distinct impression that pepper spray is not unlawful and is not subject to the treatment as an offensive weapon. However, the Firearms Act, because it has some very wide definitions in it, makes the matter unclear. And the matter has been the subject of a court decision which suggests that because of the way the Firearms Act is worded, pepper spray cannot be lawfully carried for personal protection. I believe that it's a non-toxic substance, and I believe it's important that we empower our women to protect themselves. I'm therefore seeking leave of the House to introduce the following private members' bills. 1, a bill shortly entitled the Firearms Amendment Act 2021, and secondly, a bill shortly entitled the Offensive Weapons Prohibition Amendment Act 2021, which will clarify the situation in this regard. And I would ask for leave of the House, Madam Speaker, to table the bills.
Members, the question before the House is that the member be granted leave to introduce both bills mentioned. Those in favour? Aye. Those against? The ayes have it. Leave granted. Opposition.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. One love.